Hello, I'm Michael Richard. Welcome to my jukebox. Today's song is dedicated to Ukraine.
In the night, hear the engines roar. Ukrainian drones are the ghosts of war, striking deep where the shadows lie. Targets locked, take to the sky. Airfields trembling, fuel depots burned. In the heart of Russia, it's their turn to learn. No more silence, the battle is loud. As courage rises, you can see the crowd. SkyFall, watch them rise. Drones in the air, cutting through the lies. Every day, the fear ignites. Soldiers trembling in the dead of night. Putin's reign is shaking and weak. In the skies, we're the ones who speak. North Koreans sent to the front line haze, but treated like shadows in a cruel charade. Just pawns in a game, no glory or pride. Left to the wolves, nowhere to hide. Demoralized troops, haunted by their fate. Every second ticking down, it's too late. Whispers of courage meet the bullets dance. Injustice breathes in a misplaced jam. SkyFall, watch them rise. Drones in the air, cutting through the lies. Every day, the fear ignites. Soldiers trembling in the dead of night. Putin's reign is shaking and weak. In the skies, we're the ones who speak. As the economy crumbles under pressure's weight, every frayed thread weaves a tragic fate. Drones are our voices, echoing loud. They rise like spirits gather in a crowd. With each explosion, the darkness will flee. A new dawn whispers, setting us free. Feel the rhythm, turn the night. With every strike, we're claiming the light. Watch the skies, see the vengeance soar. A dance of the brave, a thunderous roar. Endless resolve, we won't back down. As the power shifts, watch the empire drown. While Putin trembles, quaking in his den. The world is a stage, changing once again. Each drone, a harbinger of future bright. Taking the fight into the longest night. SkyFall, watch them rise. Drones in the air, cutting through the lies. Every day, the fear ignites. Soldiers trembling in the dead of night. Putin's reign is shaking and weak. In the skies, we're the ones who speak. So stand with the brave, join the call.